How to speed up rendering in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I have 3 layers in here. So in here, as you can see, here we have a bar, like a yellow bar. So it says our footages are not rendered yet. So I'll go to sequence and then click on render in to out. Just click on it, and then it will render all these clips that's in here, and this thing will turn into green. So as you can see, okay, now we're going to export. After clicking on export, as you can see, we have this thing in here. You can just click on this if you want 4K output. In video settings, as you can see in this video, after clicking on more, you will have a thing like performance. So just select this on hardware. Your system hardware does not support hardware acceleration for this current setting. So if your system just support this thing, then just click on it. Then the whatever you have in your video will export according to the hardware, okay, not the software. So I don't have that required PC to just export with the hardware thing. So if you have, then just select this hardware encoding. After that, we have a thing in the bitrate settings. As you can see, just click on CBR. Okay, as you can see in CBR we have 2.1. so in the edit settings I have a thing like this. As you can see, it's if your video is for YouTube, then this might help you out. So you can match your bitrate according to this list. Okay, if you have already rendered your video, then you can check this thing in general that called use previews. So it will just take some of those rendered files and make your export more fast. So if you have like multiple files in your project, like you have this project and you have also some project inside Premiere, and let's say you want to export them one by one, so you have to like come to this and then export one, then and go to another project and export. Except that you can use this Adobe Media Encoder to just export them like all in one. So after opening the Media Encoder, just export those files inside that, so it will be more faster. So that was how you can render quickly in Premiere, and thanks for watching.